guys, welcome to my video. I'm here to give you an update on the 2010 boosted Honda Fit. Well, my engine blew up, so I had to put another one in. I'm just kidding. It's the same engine. Relax. Calm yourself. Alright, there's a much difference of MPG. Usually test the car on gas on road trips because it's just straight non-stop. So before the turbo, I get 300 to 350 a tank. With the turbo, it's basically the same. It's not much of a difference. And if it is, I can't really tell. I took a road trip from Philly to Florida. So I drove the Philly to Florida a few times without the turbo, and I drive it again just one last time with the turbo. Oh my god, night and day difference. It makes things so much better. It was more fun. I got a chance to, I can pass people. I don't have to wait people to let me pass them easily. If I step on the gas, it goes. Most fun I had driving the car. And I had drove this car stock for 10 years. And I hate it when you're driving in the highway and you try to pass people, and as soon as you see them, as soon as they see you get closer in the mirror, they tend to speed off. And you can't speed off either because your horsepower doesn't match up. This time it's different. This time with the boost, if they see you speeding up and they want to speed up with you, just flourish some more and you just go right past them. That's if you're driving next to a normal car. If you're driving next to a fast car like a Type R, don't even try it. You get smoked. Don't ask me how I know. What should I have done the first time? Well, I should have got a better oil pressure because right now mine's out of collaboration, so it doesn't really work. It just shows me I have pressure and then I have a lot more pressure. So I don't know which is what's. But to me, if it goes to 0 when I'm driving, then I know I have no oil pressure. I know that much. All right, cool. I wish I didn't import the turbo. I didn't have to. The engine can handle it. I wish I would have installed new engine mounts. When I was driving from the Bay Area to LA and LA to the Bay, there was this spot in the valley where you go you go uphill for quite a long time. And they even had a sign saying to turn off AC so your car won't overheat. When I was doing that, my oil temp would get to 240 to 250, but it never got any higher. I worry about that because it's driving, it's going up to 240 and 250, and it would just stay there constantly. Then once I'm going downhill, it starts going down again. It's it was 105, 110 degrees out there in the valley. Honestly, if it was get to 240 to 250 every single time I'm driving out during the day, I probably would install an oil cooler. But since it only does that on that road trip to back and forth to SoCal to NorCal, I didn't think I needed it.
Excuse the wiring mess, but yeah. That's what you get. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I will answer them to the best of my ability. If you want to see the video of the Fit being boosted right here, if you want to see the video of me doing the update video on everything else I did after that, is over here. If you have any questions, it should be answered in this video. And turbo flutters here if you want to see it. Channels here. Yes, thank you. See you guys next time, Fanatics.